Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if you keep getting the security policy prevents the installation of app error on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So to fix this, first open the settings app. Now scroll down and tap on security and privacy. In this menu, you'll need to scroll down again and tap on more security settings. Now here you will see this device admin apps options. Tap on it. Now if you see any toggle turned on in this menu, simply go ahead and turn it off. This should remove the security policy and allow you to install apps as usual. Make sure to restart your phone after turning off the toggle. However, if this does not work, your best option is to reset your Samsung Galaxy phone by going to the general management menu. Now tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings. Now this won't delete your apps and files or anything like that. However, it will reset all the settings and remove all your accounts from the phone, and you will have to set up the Wi-Fi passwords all over again. However, this is likely to resolve the error for good. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.